Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best ladder bookshelf that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Nathan James Mina side. They were easy to assemble, although 2 pieces were not accounted for in the instructions. I thought they were included in error, but I found them in both boxes, so who knows. Assembly was easy to follow and all that is needed is a Phillips screwdriver. Overall I'm very happy with this purchase and they fit nicely into my very small bedroom. I've included photos with my queen-size bed for reference. At number 4. Farino Pasir 3-tier open shelf bookcase. This series comes in different sizes in height and slightly different in door design to offer multiple options to create your own storage space. This series are made of 12 mm medium-density composite wood made from recycled materials of rubber trees. All the materials are manufactured in Malaysia and comply with the green rules of production. There is no foul smell. Durable and the material is the most stable amongst the medium-density composite woods. At number 3. Nathan James Theo 5-shelf wood modern bookcase. This Nathan James Theo shelf features a metallic frame and an oak laminate reclaimed wood finish shelves to give it a vintage look. It is a 5-tier shelf ladder, which makes it a perfect choice for homes and offices. The manufacturer offers a lifetime warranty for the shelf. Moreover, if you find that the shelf's quality is not up to the mark, you can contact the manufacturer, return the product, and request a refund within 90 days of purchase. At number 2. Nathan James Hugo Nightstand Accent Rustic Wood Table with Drawer. Nathan James is the furniture company built for your generation. You don't need to spend a fortune to get quality design first furniture, and when we say easy assembly, we mean it. Your purchase also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you have any quality issues, contact us and we will send you a replacement immediately, no questions asked. Hugo is a side table and storage solution in one. Store living space necessities inside the drawer while tabletop offers a spot for display pieces or functional use. At number 1. Hombazaar Industrial 6-tier modern ladder shelf bookcase. I hope I get my deposit back from my landlord after installing this thing. But it's worth it, ha ha ha, so cute and modern looking. Installing it by myself was a bit challenging, but I did it and it's super sturdy even though I didn't manage to get all of the screws in, haha. I wouldn't recommend the skipping of screws if you have children in the house, but since I don't, I was able to install it firmly with just a few screws. It's super strong and hasn't budged one bit. It's perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.